I love questions like this. There is really no reason for this to be a graph as opposed to a chart, right? They could have just listed these 5 volcanoes and just put the number of, what is it, the deformation rate? They could have just put that there. So like this is barely a graph question at all. It's probably going to be easy, but let's see, right? We got to complete the statement. When magma moves underneath the volcano, it causes the surface of the volcano to change. This is known as deformation. Researchers recently calculated the amount of deformation occurring each month for 5 volcanoes in Latin America. Although Sierra Negra experienced a lot of deformation, its deformation rate was still lower than that of, okay, so Sierra Negra is here. What's higher than it? Pacaya, right? So boom. Done. And you can usually tell when you're going to have an easy graph question based on the answer choices. The shorter the answer choices, the more likely it's an easy question. Sometimes it's not even just names, it's just numbers. So, in all reality, though, you're unlikely to see a question like this on the hard reading module, which is where most of you struggle with these questions, right? So you would get this if you were in the easy module. Maybe you'd get one of these in the first module, but, I don't know. But regardless, I do find that the graph and chart questions can sometimes be time consuming, but you can usually determine before you even start how long it's going to take you to solve it based on how long those answer choices are. Shorter the answer choices, the easier the question, the faster you'll be able to solve.